You came to get help. I'm excited. Thank you very much. Similar triangles. Here are our options. Looking here, I don't have any length of any side. So those are out. It's got to be this. These guys here give directionality, but not length. That's really our only given information are these two, so we definitely have to state that. I do have reflexive. Maybe you noticed that one up there. Reflexive means that it's being shared. And then parallel lines can give us some angles. So these guys here are equal because they're corresponding from these parallels. So from the parallel, we would say angle D. I cannot say angle C because, hello, there's more than one there. You got to be careful. So I'm going to say BCA. You have to either have one letter or three for angles, and you need to state these little angle markings to indicate so we know what you're talking about. And our reason is parallel lines give us corresponding angles that are congruent to each other. That's all we need. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle A goes with E, B obviously goes with itself, and C goes with, D. And AA, triangle similarity, is the ticket. All right, looking here. We look here, and we look here, and we say, oh, I don't have enough information. You can't use ratios to solve for this because we don't know that they're similar. But if I covered that up and just asked you to solve for this, I'm fairly certain you'd be successful. So I'm asking you to do that now. Go ahead and solve for what that value is. Anytime you actually do something, you need to say how you did it. So we're going to say 3 squared plus yp squared equals 5 squared. And then yp ends up equaling 4. And the reason I'm allowed to do that is Pythagorean theorem. So if you do something, you need to state it in a bubble and make sure you have your reason right under that. Now, I've got SAS. Now, I know that some of you solved for this one, the 10 first. The problem with the 10, even though everything I have over here, is this is ASS. And ASS doesn't work. We're going to learn soon that, hey, something's special in the right triangle, but we're not there yet. So I want to make sure that you're recognizing that if you have ASS, it shouldn't work unless you have a special case. But if you use this one, you have SAS. Now, some of you went ahead and found 10 and 4. Great. Now you can use SSS if you choose to. So the only thing we end up not being able to use is the AA. So you've got some choices here. Again, you can't use ASS because we don't use that. Again, I understand this is a right angle and it's a special case, but we're not there yet. So now we need to have our angle, right? So we have angle R equals angle P because that is given. And we're going to go ahead and compare these two. So 6 is to 3. And we're now going to compare these two, which is 8 is to 4. So I have side, angle, side, side, angle, side. ATR is similar to A goes with F, T goes with Y, and R goes with P.